Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is about the issues and benefits of software as a service, identity as a service, network, and as a service. So, first, the software as a service benefits. So, first, lower upfront cost. Um, The software is generally subscription based and has no upfront license fees, resulting in lower initial costs. The software as a service provider manage the IT infrastructure that is running the software, which bring down fees for hardware and software maintenance. Second, the quick setup and develop deployment. I mean, so the software as a service application is already installed and configured in the cloud. This minimizes common delays resulting from the often lengthy traditional software deployment. So the third is easy upgrades. The software as a service providers deal with hardware and software updates, deploying upgrades centrally to the hosted application and removing his workload and responsibility from you. So the fourth is accessibility. All you need to access a software as a service application is a browser and an internet connection. This is generally available on a wide range of devices and from anywhere in the world, making software as a service more accessible than the traditional business software installation. And lastly, of the benefits of software as a service is scalability. So the software as a service providers generally offer many subscription options and flexibility to change subscriptions as and when needed. Example, when your business grows or more user need to access the service. So next is the issues of software as a service. So first, lack of control. In-house software application gives businesses a higher degree of control than hosted solutions, where control resides with a third party. Typically, everyone has to use the latest version of the software application and cannot defer upgrades or changes in the features. So, the second is security and data concerns. Access management and the privacy of sensitive information is a major consideration around cloud and hosted services. So the third is limited range of applications. While software as a service is becoming more popular, there are still many applications that don't offer a hosted platform. So the fourth is connectivity requirement. Since the software as a service model is based on web delivery, if your internet service fails, you will lose access to your software or data. So the last is performance. So software as a service may run at somewhat slower speeds than on-premises client or server application. So it's worth keeping performance in mind. Your software isn't hosted on a local machine. The next benefits of identity as a service. So first, manage just local and remote application along with the test flow. Second, removes re-authentication and improves productivity. Third, the database is user-friendly and flexible, which benefits in many ways. And fourth is service detailed user access reporting. So the disadvantage of identity as a service is that the team should pay hosting fees. So monitor to extra turf on premises for network security. Establish continuous servers. Purchase, upgrade, and install software. Keep a copy data regularly, VPNs, and many more. With identity as a service, prices drop to the subscription fee and therefore the administration work. That's it. So next is ROI for identity as a service includes an enhanced version of cyber security. Besides savings, it includes improvement in cyber security and save time with quicker logins and fewer words receipts. The improved security will keep corporation from facing a hack or breach that may topple their business. Next is the benefits of network as a service. First, reduce cost. Network as a service reduce many IT costs, including those associated with infrastructure, hardware, software, operations, and maintenance. The lower expenses are due not only to outsourcing, but also to the knowledge and expertise that network as a service providers can bring to the table. The right network as a service partner can make the transitional period as smooth as possible, minimizing expenses and mistakes as you implement new processes and equipment. In addition, most network as a service providers charge a recurring subscription-based fee, which makes your monthly IT budget more predictable. So the second is proactive maintenance because it can lead to unexpected downtime. Reactive maintenance isn't enough when dealing with the network demands of modern organization. So network as a service customers can detect and even predict network issues early on by performing proactive monitoring and preventative maintenance. So software tools can generate alerts when a particular site is exhibiting abnormally high latency, allowing the network as a service partner to start fixing the problem even more before the customer knows about it. So the third is enhanced security. With news of devastating data breaches constantly in the headlines, so information security is a huge concern for business of all size and industries. So network as partner should work with you to implement best practices for IT security and can recommend hardware and software platforms that are tailored to your needs. If you have specific compliance issues and regulation to abide by, look for a partner that has experience with other companies in the same sector. So the fourth is increased levels of uptime. So service level agreements are contracts between the customers and the managed network service provider that guarantee concerns such as levels of availability, network uptime, and response and resolution times for addressing issues. It's important to find a partner that's flexible enough to allow the service level agreements to change over the course of the relationship. For example, you might assume that service between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. is enough for your needs, but then change your mind a month later. So the fifth is improved quality of service. So in general, network as a service provides benefits such as better voice quality, more efficient call routing, and improved network management. So customers can focus on the quality of their work without getting bogged down by IT issues. So the right network as a service partner will help you optimize your network streams, ensuring that your data is getting to clouds correctly. Before installing the solution, your partner should perform an in-depth discovery and documentation process working with you to build a blueprint of your IT environment. So the sixth is maximize performance and increase productivity. When your network is performing at its best, which with fewer hiccups and less downtime, IT staff members and all employees can perform their daily tasks more efficiently and effectively, increasing their overall productivity. So the right network as a service partner will proactively send you monthly reports, helping you to detect issues and important trends. So for example, a branch office hundreds of miles away may be experiencing high latency due to a large software update that the IT department is installing all at once. Instead of staggering it over time by identifying the root cause of the problem, you can take steps to solve it and prevent it from happening again. So the 7 is optimized system. The right network as a service providers can determine whether or not your IT infrastructure and network are capable of supporting the traffic you are getting, and make adjustment to ensure your network operates efficiently. In addition, your choice of network as a service partner should do quarterly business reviews to discuss your recurring pain points and how they can be solved or mitigated, because customers are in the 30s everyday hearing user experiences. It's important to have frequently communication and collaboration to stay abreast of any new issues. Lastly, access to expertise and experience. For working with a network as a service provider means that you gain an expert team of experienced diverse and qualified personnel at your fingertips. Your choice of partner will be at your side throughout the project, from the planning phase all the way through to implementation and long-term support. Once it's time to hand off responsibility to the customers at the end of the project, your partner will help with training and knowledge transfer so that you're able to manage the infrastructure yourself. So, and lastly is the issues of network as a service. Loss of control, less flexibility and customization, fragmented service and vendor coordination issues, possibility of increased cost, lack into contract and service level agreement, changing vendors or taking operation can be difficult, cost, prohibitive or even possible. And lastly is vendor problems. And that's all. Thank you.